I say greetings, ladies and gentlemen, on a Friday, July 28th, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a preview of something a little bit different from the usual greetings, which is usually during the daytime. So I'm going to give you a bit of a greeting for nighttime and show you how lovely and homey the tiny house is. When I arrive, usually Thursday evenings, and so I come home to this, which is nice, although the lights aren't plugged in or anything, because I take care of all that when I get here. So anyway, this is what the scrap house looks like at night. And there's my sweet rain shower. Rain barrels are that way, not more than 5 feet away. And there's my upstairs LED situation, and the of course, the lovely accommodations, the surrounding windows, and the fridge, naturally, of course. Nice shelves. And anyway, it's I like it. It's nice. Nice at night. Isn't a whole lot, isn't much, but it certainly houses me well and keeps me comfortable, and it sleeps good. And this is my new home-built home. Good old DIY shit. There's nothing in here that I did not build, which is really neat. So that is one man's pursuit of freedom and independence, and it seems to me these were things that I should have learned as a child if my parents had actually thought about things instead of just going with the flow. So there you have it. So more to come tomorrow. Peace. Of this area with the weed tarp, I had to bail out some more water from the shithole this morning, and that will be a high priority this weekend to finish sealing the very bottom of it, of course, when it dries, and repairing some of the walls. I did develop a hole, which I think I documented last weekend, right there, and there's one actually on this wall that you can't see, and so I'll need to seal that, and I think we're going to put some pins in the wall, nails, screws, something or another to help anchor it down before I put the second coat of waterproof cement on. And of course I'm just now getting ready to Thompson's water seal the Lazy Susan bearing. That will be the pivot for the panel upstairs. And so anyway, I did this in Raleigh over the weekend, and so I'm standing on it, and we're surfing on a Lazy Susan bearing. Anyway, so this ought to do very nicely for mounting the solar panels up on the roof of the trailer. And so I'm just getting ready to Thompson's water seal it, and I will take my usual pictures, but just wanted to give you an update. Oh, I also repotted some of the plants. I already took some pictures of them in their old pots earlier today, so I did that. The cabbages are getting big, and the cucumbers are also getting enormous. I need to prepare some more soil with some of that shit over there on the other side of the shithole. And the ladies are looking good. They're providing me with plenty of seeds, which is very, very good. That's always exciting news. And so I'm going to get back to it. There you have it. Talk to you later. Peace.